Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, we're going to walk through how to archive a community on Telegram using the desktop app. Whether you want to clean up your sidebar or keep things a bit more organized, this method is simple and takes just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's open, make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the community you'd like to archive. You'll see all your chats and communities conveniently listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, take a moment to find the specific community you want to archive. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. When you see the community's name or icon, don't click to open it. Just hover your mouse over it. Now comes the key step. Right-click on the community. A small menu will appear with several options like pin, mute, or archive. Go ahead and click on Archive. Once you do that, the community will instantly disappear from your main chat list and move to your archive chat section. If you ever need to find it again, scroll to the top of your chat list and look for the Archive Chat section. Click on it, and you'll see your archive community right there. You can open it anytime, send messages, or even unarchive it by right-clicking and choosing Unarchive. Archiving doesn't delete your community or remove you from it. It simply helps you tidy up your workspace, keeping your main chat area focused on what matters most. It's especially useful if you're part of multiple groups or communities and want a cleaner look without losing access, and that's it. In just 3 simple steps, open Telegram, find the community, right-click and choose Archive. You can organize your chats like a pro. Keep your Telegram sleek, clean, and stress-free with this quick update feature.